yes. तो kala from kala it will be qulna from six sigha, its pattern will be changed. Fa kalma will have zamma because we have omitted waw there. It was ajwaf wawi. It was not mazi maksurul an or mazi or ajwaf yai. So zamma will fa kalma's fatha will be changed with zamma. So from qawalna it will be qulna. Now I'm going to explain exercise 18. Exercise 18. From exercise 18, we are going to start Ajwaf Yai. Ajwaf Yai. Yes, I'm cleaning it. Now, again, I explained about Kala, how it became Kulna. Keep it in mind कि how it was changed, है ना? Because in next सिगा we are going to take ajwaf ajwaf yai. What will happen in ajwaf yai? Gardan of fi'l mazi, if I am going to start, it will be what it will be. Can you tell me anyone? I am saying if from ba I am going to write mazi gardan, so it will be space is not there. That's why I am writing like this. It will be ba a tasniya siga will come ba a jama siga will come ba u and tasniya siga will come jama siga will come ba'u. Next siga wahid muannas will come ba'at and tasniya siga of ba'at will come ba'ata and just we will go to jama siga, it will become bi'na. What it will be? It will be bi'na. What happened here? This is ajwaf wawi. Oh sorry, ajwaf yai, है ना? This is ajwaf yai. What happened here? I told you कि if it is not ajwaf yai or हाँ because it is ajwaf yai. I am telling if it is ajwaf yai or mazi maksurul ain kalma is maksur in mazi as uh, sami'a. From bab sami'a mim has kasra, है ना? तो this is called mazi maksurul ain in which ain kalma has kasra. Sami'a. Shareba. Shareba is also mazi maksurul ain, you know. So if it is mazi maksurul ain or ajwaf yai, fa kalma will be given kasra. Like bi'na. It was, in fact, it was what it was? What is its original form? Can you tell me? Bayayna. What it will be? On the pattern of zarabna. On the pattern of zarabna. Bayayna. As it was qawalna. Bayayna. Ya is mutaharrik. Ma qabl is maftu. Ya is mutaharrik. Before there is fatha. That's why ya will be changed with alif. Ya will be changed with alif. Alif cannot accept any type of harkat. That's why it will be omitted. है ना? Now again two harf illat are coming. First one is harf illat. Two huruf are coming sakin or itma saknain is coming. That's why harf illat will be omitted. It will be ba'na. It will be ba'na. But it was ba'na. What it will be? Ba'na. Yes, it will be ba'na. To show that ya is omitted or it is not mazi. To show that ya is omitted, we have to add kasra. We have to give kasra to fa kalma. Fatha will be omitted and kasra will be given to show that ya is omitted from here. To show that ya is omitted from here, kasra will be given to fa kalma. Now clear? Eh? Huh? Zamma. Tell Zamma, don't pay, tell pesh. In Arabic, there is no pesh. Zamma is there. Yes. Leave zer zabar pesh. Tell Zamma fatha kasra. Yes. Hmm. And and here first vav ya will be changed with alif because directly on vav ya harkat is coming, so we cannot omit them. If vav ya are mutaharrik, we can never omit them. Understand? That's why in this process we have to go that vav ya will be changed with alif, then their harkat will be omitted, and then from ittima sakran they will be omitted, and at that place vav, if it is coming ajwaf wawi, or you can say that this is not mazi maksurul an or ajwaf yai, that's why will give zamma. And if it is ajwaf yai or mazi maksurul ain, I am explaining again and again, two words I am explaining, saying ajwaf yai or mazi maksurul ain, तो kasra will be given. It is coming bi'na. What it will be then? Then it will be bi'na. How it is? Bayayna. Its original form was bayayna on the pattern of zarabna. It is coming on from bab zaraba. It is coming from bab zarabna at the pattern of zarabna. Bayayna. From this siga, in all sigas, this pattern, this rule will be followed because they all are coming on that pattern. Now I am explaining. If you are going to say from what is the siga? Anta, anta. If it is coming wahid mutakallim, wahid muzakkar hazir siga, so what it will become? What it will come? Anta beta. How beta came? In fact, beta was bayaita. Bayaita. You will find that ya is mutaharrik, ma qabl is maftuh, so ya will be changed with alif, and alif cannot accept harkat, that's why we have to omit it. From itmai saknain, alif and ain, two sakins are coming, harf illat will be omitted. Harf illat is omitted, now it became ba'ta. To show that harf ya is omitted from here, we have to give kasra to ba, fa kalma. Kasra will be given to fa kalma, so it will become bi'ta. Anta bi'ta. Anta beta, beta, betuma, betum. In all sigas, if you will go to its original form, you will find this rule there. You should do it. So beta, beta, betuma, betum, bete, betuma, betunna, betu, bi'na. So do gardan from ba yabiyo. So here it is coming Sara. So you have to do from Sara. Sara yasiru. Sara. Mazi gardan from, yes, do from Sara quickly. Or you have to already to, yes, Sara, Sara. Hmm. Sirna. You are, no, I'm not, yes, Sara, Sara, Saru, Sarat, Sarata. Yes, again it will be when jama mona siga you will reach, it become that sirna, sirta, sirtuma, sirtum, है ना? Sirta, sirtuma, sirtum, sirti, sirtuma, sirtunna, sirtu, sirna. Yes. So there are four gardans are there from Sara, Asha, Ba part. In question second, Ajwa Yai is given. Ja Yajiyo, Ba Yabiyo. So you have to do Sara and Asha and Kala. Three gardans you have to write. This is your homework. Yes. Ex- I am telling you that question second you have should see. Tamarin, where Tamarin are started na. Tamrin second. Tamrin second Ba part. Yes. Sara, Asha and Kala. Kala Yakilo means to weigh. It is coming in the meaning of Vazana Yazeno. Vazana Yazeno Kala Yakilo. Now it is clear here. Is there any question? Boys, girls, both. Umar, any problem is there? Anyone? Mehtab Nadir, Moiz Khaliq और उबादा नहीं उबैदा Abba part three gardans I told that Sara, Asha and Kala. Mazi gardan. Muzara I will explain after. Yes. Now clear? You want to ask anything? You are saying to no man. But tell me कि why kasra is coming on fa kalma? Eh?